Today got this at 14,200 price point. Within 3 days delivery. Looks alike Apple monitor. One single issue is doesn't tilt the screen. Base and screen is quite heavy, but neck not as much. Excellent monitor. I bought this impeccable monitor 4 months back and it's rocking, actually killing it. Stand is little fiddly, otherwise very good monitor for price. It's really a great monitor, must buy this product, I highly recommend this one. Best in class colors, great design. Simply awesome. The sound is great too, vocals are very clear. Every aspect is best in class. One of the best monitor I ever had, thank you Amazon. Really liked the monitor, the bezel-less design and the built-in speakers were the factors that helped me pick this over the others. My criteria for monitor was -1, min resolution 1920*1080 halves, size 20+ inch, 3, preferably IPS panel 4, having AMD FreeSync 5, below 15K price point. Other options con. TN IOTA Z IOTA Z AGRA TM on IOTA T or W IOTA TN AM IOTA N IOTA ML de Z IOTA GN IOTA Z IOTA T a TMY de ZG or a VO Upsilon T10 NO Upsilon R Z a day and TN A Z A R TN A VA Z M on IOTA T or Z IOTA way N at IOTA N AO N IOTA L. Try ZUTL Clear P IOTA CT Upsilon R. Best monitor according to price. I got this display to complement my 2017 MacBook Pro. Pros: 1. Beautiful display panel. Good colors and nice black levels. Has a matte display so there is very little reflections. 2. Very futuristic, modern and sleek design with slim bezels. 3. Very neat and modern looking OSD interface that has a single illuminated joystick to control it. 4. LG software to control brightness and contrast settings directly from the laptop. Cons: 1. The stand is a bit wobbly too. Speakers are good enough for computer sounds and light media use. They can get loud no doubt, but the sound quality and sound profile is not good for long use like watching movies. I purchased this to use as a TV for my Airtel DTH and picture quality is amazing. Good thing is it has 2 HDMI so that I can connect to my laptop without having disconnecting DTH cable. I got this for 11,499 after discount from SBI debit card. Overall it's a bang for the buck. Amazing performance, the stand is too strong and the build quality too. Perfect for watching movies and playing games. The sound of inbuilt speakers are very loud and clear. I am very satisfied with this monitor, especially I like the premium look. Bought it for my PS4. It's working great. The colors are vivid, sound is unexpectedly very good. I would definitely recommend it. Performed all the checks one is expected to do when you get one of these, all good. It's a 60Hz monitor. It's not ideal for gaming only and only if you are that hardcore competitive gamer who wants everything before everyone. You wouldn't be looking for this if you are one of them, but for the rest 90% plus people who enjoy gaming and wants to have fun, this would do pretty good. I do play a lot of games and I haven't had any issues. 60Hz is all you need TBH. Coming from a TN panel, the difference is day and night both in terms of color reproduction and viewing angle. This having an IPS will also help the folks with editing work. Why not 5 stars? The delivery. Absolutely horrendous. Delayed for 2 days. Had to write emails to get a proper communication about what's going on. The product itself is good. Sabr ka phal mithe wala logic probably. Deep blacks and awesome color reproduction with stunning design. The screen is glare-free with minimal bezel, makes people go wow. PS4 games and Netflix visuals are eye-pleasing. The stereo speakers can easily fill a room, still lack bass. LG IPS panel is way ahead of monitors at this price bracket. If you need a premium-looking monitor with professional level color reproduction, this is the monitor you should hunt for. Worth for money, good overall, 4-sided thin bezels is attraction. As we all know that LG is the brand known for quality for the panel they've used. Combination of perfect contrast and blacks. Using it for color grading at this budget, not a bad investment. 5-star product on that budget. Response could be better, any glare is good. Very good product. One month's MAI lining आ गया. Click link in description for more reviews.